Easy to install free wiring installation -12/24 of a volt cigarette lighter power connection. Come complete with mounting brackets and screws to attach to the grille or bumper. 4 PCS super bright strobe lights. Include 4 super bright sync feature 1/2 LED strobe light and main control box for free wiring installation. With high visibility in daylight, midnight, raining or fog days. Improve the drive security and avoid accidents. 8 flash patterns. 8 flash patterns with an independent switch to cycle through modes. Memorizes last pattern used, recall last pattern. 1 switches. One is for easy on-off. Another one is for changing different strobe patterns. The on-off switch allows you to turn the power off without unplugging it. Light size. Dimensions, 4.41, L, by 1.11, W, by 0.39, D, per light to main control box, 3.4 meters, main control box to switch, 1.7 meters, switch to cigarette lighter, 0.8 meters. Top reviews from the United States. Second set, only one issue. These are great lights. I had an issue with the first set where they kept turning on by themselves at random times. Being that they are remote control, either the remote or the module could have been the issue once I eliminated external interference as a possibility. The seller sent me another set and I swapped the module and remote, but then I just wired them to a switch anyway. I needed more lights, so I bought another set. These are really great. The lenses do tend to yellow a bit after a while, but they are super bright and work well, and you can't beat the price.